How's it going, everyone? I know we're waiting on a few people to turn in their legal research paper, so waiting on that, but we're going to go ahead and move forward with the check-in for Chapter 8, which is Week 10. So your Week 8 review questions are due this week, and you have a lecture review question. So workplace law and ethics. So when we talk about workplace law and ethics, of course, you have your standard lecture that is about Chapter 8. Then you have your lecture review questions, which are due, of course, Sunday by end of day. We're going to talk about the EEOC. So what is the EEOC? You got to look that up if you don't know what it is. Make sure you do what you need to do to know your material there and reply by Sunday at midnight. And then you have your review questions, which are also due Sunday by end of day. If you run into anything, don't hesitate to reach out. You guys are doing a great job. I look forward to reading your papers, which are due Sunday tomorrow, right? October 9th. So make sure that is finished before you start this. And I look forward to seeing and reading those papers and then seeing the great answers in your lecture question for Week 8. And then also reviewing your review questions for, Week 10, Chapter 8. So looking forward to that. And if you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much.